Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the scorecards. The totals are 30-27, 29-28, and 29-28. All for your winner by unanimous decision, Nursultan Groziboyev!
I'm here with the winner, Nursultan Groziboyev. That was an epic fight, a bloody back and forth war. I can see the relief on your face. Give me your thoughts on the fight.
Alhamdulillah shu kunga yetkazgan Robbimga hamd sanolar bo'lsin. Dustin Stolfus men kutganimdan yaxshiroq urishdi. Bilmadim. Dasturni tugatishga shans bo'lmadi.
Alhamdulillah, thank you everybody for the support. Dustin Stoltzfus was a great opponent. He was tougher than I thought. I tried to finish him, he didn't give me a chance.
Yeah, he was definitely tough. The pair of you were. You hit him with some beautiful clean shots, spinning wheel kicks, but he wouldn't go down. Were you surprised he took that much damage?
Zalda bir-ikki marta razvorot tepib ko'rdim, kallaga tegdi. Shuning uchun bo'yda ham tepdim, menimcha bo'yda unchalik kuchli bo'lmasa ham lekin tegdi.
In the gym, I practiced those shots and they hit the head. So it hit his head also.
Well, you landed very well. Is this a new weight class now? Middleweight, you're going to stay here going forward?
Middleweight turasizmi?
Da, hozir vesim ham sal ko'tarilib qoldi. Endi 84 kiloda jang qilaman. Prosta sportivniy interes Bon Nickel bilan bir jang qilib ko'rmoqchiman.
Bo Nickel. That's who wants next.
Yeah, I think we got that one. Congratulations.
Avvalambor muhtaram prezidentimizga Shavkat Mirziyoyevga alohida rahmat, Otabek Umarovga yaqinda tug'ilgan kunlari bo'ldi. Umringiz ziyoda bo'lsin aka. Akalarimiz Oybek akamlarga, viloyat hokimi Shuhrat Abdurahmonovga, ota-onamga, bugun O'zbekistonda hech kim uxlamasdan bo'yimni ko'rdi. Hammaga rahmat aytaman. Dan White, Hunter Campbell, Mick Maynard, Sean Shelby, yonimda ikkita jo'ram bor o'rtog'im, Firdavs Hasanov, Bobir Tagiyev. Bitta shans beringlar.
Thank you for the whole country. Thank you for everybody that supported me. Dana White, Hunter Campbell, Sean Shelby. I got 2 fighters ready to go. One in flyweight, one in bantamweight.
A man of the people. Congratulations. Great performance. Ladies and gentlemen, Nursultan Groziboyev. Let's go.